In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your email campaigns using Mailchimp. This is a fantastic way to make your emails more engaging and tailored to each recipient, giving them a personal touch that can significantly improve your communication and marketing efforts. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to head over to Mailchimp. If you don't have it bookmarked, simply open your browser and type in the Mailchimp URL to access the main dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage that provides an overview of all your activities and analytics. Now let's move on to the next step. You want to direct your attention to the Campaigns section, located in the top navigation bar of the interface. Click on Campaigns to reveal a list of all your existing campaigns. Browse through the list to find the specific email you wish to edit. Once you've identified it, click on it to open the Email Template Editor. This is where the magic happens. Once you're inside the editor, take a look at the design elements available for you to use. Here, you want to find the paragraph block. This block is typically used to add or modify text within your email template. Click on Paragraph and, while holding down your mouse or trackpad, drag this block to the desired area in your email layout. This action allows you to insert a new text block wherever you need it. Now let's make this email really stand out and feel personal. Navigate to the Code option. Within this section, input the following text. Dear Fname, welcome to our newsletter. The significance of using this code is that it integrates with Mailchimp's data management system to automatically insert the recipient's first name into the email when it's sent. This little touch of personalization can make your communication far more persuasive and genuine, as each recipient feels the message was uniquely crafted for them. You've successfully dragged over your paragraph and input the personalized code. It's important to carefully review your template to ensure everything is perfect before sending it off. Double-check the placement and appearance of your text and other elements within the email. And there you have it. You're done. You've successfully customized your email with a personal salutation that will automatically adjust to include each customer's first name. This method not only adds a professional touch to your emails, but also strengthens your engagement with your audience. Personalized emails can lead to higher open rates, better customer relationships, and ultimately help drive the success of your campaigns. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Mailchimp effectively. Happy emailing!